Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe, happy with your family members. Three-letter words. Today, ma'am will teach you how to read three-letter words and what is the meaning of these words. Words with an sound. A, n, an sound. Now read first word k and can. Look at here the picture of can. You drink any cold drink can. You have seen, no? Yes. K and can. Now speak out once again. K. C says k. K and can. Next word. M an man. M an man. Very good. Next word. W an van. W an van. R an ran. R an ran. Ran means move at a speed fast, then walk. Move at a speed fast, then walk. Pan. 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 A metal container used for cooking. Pan. 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 Fan. 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 Tan. A brown and darkened shade of skin dwelt after explore to the sun. When you go in the sun, your face sometimes face shade is darken brown. It's called tan. Words with app sound. App, app. Now, look at first picture. App, map. App, map. Map means a simple drawing that shows a direction to travel one place and another. App, map. App, tap. App, tap. App, gap. App, gap. A break between two objects. App, gap. Or to place. App, cap. App, cap. App, lap. App, lap. The front area from the waist to the knees of a sitting person. App, lap. App, rap. Type of a music. App, rap. App, yap. Pitched bark of a small dog. App, yap. App, sap. Fluid part of a plant. App, sap. Now we read all the words. K and a can. And words first we read. K and a can, B and a ban, T and a tan, W and a van, F and a fan. App words. K app a cap, L app a lap, T app a tap, S app a sap, G app a gap. Egg word. B egg a bag, L egg a leg, S egg a sag, R egg a rag, T egg a tag. Am words. J am a jam, D am a dam, H am a ham, R am a ram, Y am a yam. At words. H at a hat, K at a cat, R at a rat, M at a mat, S at a sat. Ab words. L ab a lab, K ab a cab, D ab a dab, F ab a fab, T ab a tab. Add words. B add a bat, D add a dad, H add a hat, L add a lad, M add a mad. Children, revise all the words. Do reading daily, drilling of reading daily. Thank you and have a wonderful day.